Rolling! Hi guys!
Sino yung player? Ikaw na lang, Roland. Ikaw yung ikaw si GTA.
Ayaw po play. Ito mga extra wala mo.
Hindi ka gagawin yun.
Marami ka pa extra sa lahat. Hindi ka nakawala.
Sino bang may alam ng GTA na natakbo?
Huwag yung hit.
Shit.
Spencer na lang.
You're so weird.
GTA. Paano ba? Masarap mo. Mag-scope na lang tayo. Ano bang magandang i-scope? Anong movie?
What guy?
Harry Potter.
And the Deathly Hallows?
Beyonce.
Hey, Harry?
Harry, hindi na natin idea.
You don't have good ideas. And
It's raining.
we just have... behind the scenes. We're having a meeting about what kind of video will coming out. We don't have any scripts to follow, but at least just generate some new ones. See.
Second lang na lang para pabuhat na siya talo sa ako. Hindi naman ako.
Astig yun.
Ito.